So today we will be talking about mood, and it's a different verb because it has a weird ending. So not weird ending, it's just a different ending, and the conjugation is not going to be the same for all the other verbs. So you just cannot remove the ending and add something. So you have to change a little bit of the verb. So let's see, for example, the present. For example, ja, ty, on, in the present. So ja mogę. So there's a G that has appeared out of nowhere, and then you can, on the G, add the ending of the, yes, but only in the first person and the last person there's G. When you go to the second person, ty, the G becomes ż, so możesz. Here mogę, ty możesz. On może, my możemy, wy możecie. Only one, we go back to the same, to the G, so mogą. Okay, G in Polish is the G, so it is pronounced G. So mogą, mogę. You're gonna notice in many cases that the first person and the third person and the plural is the first person and the singular and the third person, the plural, are kind of the same, but just the ending is instead of on in the plural, okay? And then these are gonna be the same. So you have to memorize it, there's no other way. For the past form, since it is a weird verb, you cannot just like remove the last consonant and add wham wham or whatever. It's gonna be weird. So we cannot use what we used to use before. So it's gonna be like the present. You remove the ending and you leave the consonant that is here, and then you add to it wham wham wash and whatever. So ja mogłem, mogłam, ty mogłeś, mogłaś, on, ona, ono, mógł. We're going to talk about why mógł, mogła, and mogła. So when you usually have the verb at the infinitive is u, móc, so this is the original verb, and then you have a silent ending, so you don't have a vowel. It's going to sound weird if you just say mógł. So you just say mógł, and it happens usually in many words in Polish where you have the letter O, but whenever you remove the vowel at the ending, you change the O to U. So it sounds like this, mógł, for example. Yeah, so you're gonna see that many verbs that they change, if they have the O here, they change to U whenever they don't have a vowel at the ending. So just to know why they change. Okay, this is the rule. So mógł, mogła, mogło, and then my, mogliśmy, mogłyśmy, wy mogliście, mogłyście, oni, one, mogli, mogły. So the future, once you know the past, it's easy. So ja będę mógł, okay? Ja będę mogła. So if I'm saying that I will be able, ja będę, I will be, mógł, be able, okay? Why mógł? Because we always use in the future of the imperfective, we use the third person of the past, whether it's plural or singular, okay? So if I was a girl and saying that I will be able, I would say ja będę mogła, the female, ona mogła, okay? The same here, for example, on będzie mógł, he will be able, mógł. Ona będzie mogła, she will be able. And the same for the plural, będziecie mogły, you will be able. You are addressing to a group of female, telling them that they will be able to do something. So we just say wy będziecie, you will be able to do, mogły. Okay, so the conditional is the same as the future. You use the third person of the past, and then you put in front of it bym, byśmy, whatever, the conditional. And then, yeah. So I have a video about 3 videos about the conditional. You can just go check them out. And it simply means when you say mógłbym, it means that I would be able to. I would be able to. So it's a kind of conditional for form, at least, the conditional form. Mógłbyś, you would be able. Mógłby, he would be able. Okay? moglibyśmy, we would be able, and so on. Luckily, there's no imperative in this verb, and I guess it makes sense because you cannot just order someone to can do something. You cannot just order someone to be able to do something because it just doesn't make any sense. And I guess you got this already. So the gerund, what's left is the name of the verb, so it's możność. So that's the name of the verb. I guess you know what I'm talking about. So to be able to, the process of being able to. Okay, so this depends on the context as well. And that's it for this video. I hope you understood. Any question, please in the comment and I'll reply. Thank you.